Each and every user in your account has their own personal profile. Let's take a look at your profile and go over the different options. First, navigate to Settings, and then click on Profile under Business Services. This is your personal profile information. You can add a photo, change your contact information, and update your password. You can also set up an email signature and change your personal user availability. We'll get into more detail on setting up your calendar system in another video. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see you also have the option to integrate an Outlook account if you use that for calendars, as well as a Zoom account if you do online meetings. Go ahead and connect Outlook and/or Zoom now if you use either of those services. Just click on the Connect button next to the integration, walk through the prompts of logging into your account, and accept the connection. Next, let's take a look at your user availability. First, you're going to set your meeting location. You can select Custom if you have a specific address you'd like to have set for meetings, or if you simply do phone calls, you can enter phone call in the field below. If you use either Zoom or Google Meet for online meetings, you can select one of those. By selecting either Zoom or Google Meet, this allows our system to auto-create meeting links when somebody books an appointment. Next, make sure that your time zone is correct. Let's take a look at your availability. You can toggle on and off specific days of the week, as well as set windows of time that you are available on each day. It is best to set up your general availability here, and then if you have appointments or events, you will block that off either on your Google or Outlook calendar. As well, you can block it off on the internal calendar here. Go ahead and set up your general availability now, and then click Update Availability. Lastly, on this page, you will want to set your calendar configuration. Scroll down below Availability. Under Primary Calendar, click on Edit. Select the integrated calendar that you want to sync events with. Then, click on the drop-down under Primary Calendar and select the main calendar you would like to sync to. If you select a calendar under Allow Contact Creation, it will create a contact and an appointment in our platform from events that already exist in your Google or Outlook calendars. Most users opt to not use this feature, as it may create contacts and appointments for personal events that you have in your calendar. Once you are finished here, click Save. Under Check for Conflicts, you can have our system check multiple calendars within the same Google or Outlook account for other appointments you may want to avoid any conflicts with. Click on Edit and then select any calendars shown that you would like to check for conflicts and click Save. That is the end of setting up your personal profile.